In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refund a GoDaddy domain effectively and efficiently. Whether you've changed your mind or simply no longer need the domain, knowing how to navigate this process can save you both time and money. First, you'll want to log into your GoDaddy account. Make sure you have your login credentials handy. Once you've successfully entered your account, head over to your account dashboard. This is where you'll see a clear overview of all your products and services that you have with GoDaddy. Next, locate the Domain Manager section. It might be labeled simply as Domains. Click on that to view a list of all the domains you currently own. From here, carefully find the domain you wish to refund. A quick tip: if you own multiple domains, consider using the search or filter options to make it a bit quicker to locate the exact one. With the correct domain in view, click on it to access its settings. This is where you'll see all the details pertaining to this domain. On this page, look for a tab or button that might read Manage or Settings. This is where you'll start the refund process. As you navigate through, keep an eye out for a section labeled Cancel or Request a Refund. On some occasions, this may be nestled within a submenu titled Additional Settings or Billing Information. Upon selecting the appropriate option, you should see instructions guiding you to cancel your domain or request a refund. Follow these instructions closely. Typically, you'll need to complete a form providing reasons for your refund request. Be honest and clear about why you're opting for a refund, as it often determines eligibility based on GoDaddy's refund policy. And here, it's wise to mention, make sure you're within GoDaddy's refund period. Not all domains qualify for a refund after a certain period, particularly if it's past the standard refund window. After submitting your request, be prepared for a confirmation email from GoDaddy. Check your inbox. Sometimes these emails might land in your spam folder by mistake, so don't forget to look there if you don't see it immediately. This email will typically include details about the outcome of your request and any next steps to be taken. Lastly, exercise a bit of patience. Refunds can take some time to process. If you don't see the refund reflected on your account immediately, wait a few days or contact GoDaddy's customer support for further assistance. They're generally very helpful and will provide more precise information if you run into any issues. I hope this guide has demystified the process and equipped you with the knowledge to secure a refund on your GoDaddy domain. Thank you for watching, and if you found this helpful, consider checking out our other guides on similar topics.